Hello traders, it's Ryan with Stock Investing and Trading 101. Today we're having another killer day trading, up $460, over 1.5% return for the day. The market has been on fire, just making all-time high after all-time high, as it has been now for quite a while. Our portfolio is still outperforming the S&P and the NASDAQ. Both of those indices are up today pretty nicely. The S&P up 0.6%. The NASDAQ is up about 0.6% as well, so they're performing pretty similarly. We are up 1.55% today, and we're going to be going through my positions and just talking a little bit about pretty much how we made this money and what we're looking at moving forward with this market at all-time highs. So first we have our options. We have a bunch of covered calls. We have covered calls on Campbell Soup, Rocket Mortgages, SQQQ. We have long options. So these are actually hedge positions. We have an ABBV call, which I bought today. ABBV had a dip of over 10% today. ABBV is a great dividend growth stock. I actually invested pretty heavily in ABBV and bought some of the long options expiring in 2022. We also have options on Kraft Heinz, ConAgra Brands, Rocket Mortgages, and AT&T, all expiring in 2022. So typically when I sell options, I like to do the standard 30 to 45 day out. Sometimes I even sell options with less time than that. When I buy options, I like to go, between 3 and 6 months out in time, and right now I'm trading a lot of the January 2022 options. Looking at our positions, we have Campbell Soup, Rocket Mortgages, and Gold. All three of these we're selling our covered calls on. We're taking in premium and we're lowering our cost basis. After that, we have Las Vegas Sands, which I think is currently undervalued, Caterpillar, Scott's Miracle-Gro, Intel, Kraft Heinz, Activision Blizzard, which has had a lot of controversy. I'm sure everyone has heard, and it's caused the stock to go lower. I was buying it around $80 per share, and it's kind of bounced up a little bit since then, but I think Activision is an interesting stock at $80 or maybe $81. Then we have Verizon, Delta Airlines, MasterCard, General Mills, Air Products and Chemicals, Boeing, AT&T. So you'll see a theme here of a lot of dividend growth stocks. We also have stocks like MasterCard, which are more growth stocks, and I have Activision, which is more of a growth stock, and Visa and stuff like that. But right now, a lot of these high-quality growth names are at extreme highs, and I'm not trying to buy extreme highs. I'm trying to buy undervalued stocks and hold them to sell them higher, and I'm just not comfortable buying some of these stocks currently. After that, we have IBM, Take-Two Interactive, GM. I have a decent-sized share in GM. It's been performing pretty well, but it's kind of tanked back down to below $50 per share. Then we have a couple of hedge positions. We have UVXY. There's our Visa position, Hormel Foods, Pinduoduo, Lemonade. Small position in Microsoft, which I'm planning on adding to. Unilever, and I'm not going to go through each and every one. I'll go through the main ones. ConAgra Brands in stock. I also have options on that. Alibaba, which has been beaten very low. That's the only Chinese stock that I like to invest in currently. AbbVie, which, like I said, I bought today, and SoFi, and then Robinhood. So those are our positions, and moving forward, what my plan is I'm holding a very defensive portfolio. We have a lot of dividend stocks, we have a lot of growth stocks, and a lot of stocks that are already at low points for maybe the year or maybe a multi-month low. So I'm trying to buy undervalued stocks. The market and the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 are at all-time highs. You guys seen my hedges. I also have 3 or 4 VIX options on my Thinkorswim portfolio, which are essentially short positions in the market, and those are hedging my gains and my portfolio as a whole. I have deleveraged my portfolio so I can borrow up to $20,000 or $30,000 of leverage if there is some type of correction. So pretty much I'm just going to hold my positions. We're going to have days like this in the meantime, hopefully. And as soon as there's a buying opportunity or a correction, I'm sure I'll be updating you guys. And I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities during that correction. And I recommend anybody who's interested in a similar strategy. I've already created a shopping list of stocks that I want, so I know what I'm looking for when the day comes, and I'm just gonna, play my strategy and wait for the opportunity to pounce and, lock in those gains. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, drop a comment below, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.